All right. So now that you know how to by a 10, by 10, right? Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you how we're going to work on get it all focused. This. You don't know how to do that yet, do you? I have not taught you how to do that yet, right? Have I taught you how to do that? Have I taught you how to do that? Then guess what? You can do that. 87 times 85. So if you multiply 87 5 times and 87 80 times, okay, then you add those two together, you should get the answer for this problem, correct? Okay. Sorry, I'm recording it because, no, it's okay, I pause it. We're good.
So sorry. I have a message that says, cannot find hover cam device.
You may have it on already.
Huh?
That happens when you already have it on. Do you think you have it on twice?
No, but I'm going to check.
Check and see, because that's what happens a lot of times for me. All right, let me unpause. Ooh, it says live. All right. So let's stop right here. This is our ones problem. This is what we call this, right? So let's do 87 times 5. Pencils down. You're all just watching on the board with me. Okay? 5 times 7 is what?
35.
Put down the 5, carry the 3. 5 times 8 is?
40.
Plus 3?
43.
All right, so we've got our ones answer. We're going to put it over here. Okay? Now, we just put our 0 down, correct? We just learned how to do this, right? Then 8 times 7 is? Wow, come on, boys and girls. 8 times 7 is? 56. Put down the 6, carry the 5. 8 times 8 is?
64.
64 plus 5. 66, 67, 68, 69. Yay, come on in, Berkeley. 69. Focus, boys and girls. Focus. So now we put our tens answer over here, making sure that we line up all of our numbers. Give me just a second, Berkeley, and I'll get you all settled, okay? So now we have our ones, and we have our tens, and we add them together. And that is the answer to this. This is called the break apart method. And this is what we're going to do all week. And once you get good at this, all I have to do is teach you how to shortcut it and write it faster. And then you'll be doing it the way your parents do it. Or maybe the way you've been taught before. But this week, we're going to be doing it this break apart method way. Okay? So if your parents say, hey, I know a faster, easier way, you're going to say, that's great, Miss Bouse is going to show me next week, but this week I'm doing it this way so that I understand what I'm doing. We don't need to memorize a shortcut until you understand why it works. Okay? So now, everybody in your book, you have to get your math journal out, Berkeley. You've got to start way over on the edge. Okay? And we're going to write 63 times 25. But we're not going to solve that problem. We're going to break it apart. So we always take the top number. So let's do 63 and 63 times. Then we times it by the ones. And we times it by the tens. That's not a 2, is it? That's a what? That's not a 2, it's a 20. That's why we put that over here. So just start copying it down, Berkeley, and I'll explain it to you in just a second. Once you have your two problems, you just solve the two problems. So let's work on solving them. 5 times 3, 5 times 6 plus 1. Put our 1's answer over here. Then put our 0 down. 6, 12. Put our 10's over here, and then we add them together. I'll let you catch up. 1's problem answer, 10's problem answer, and then add it together. Is the answer. And if calculator on my phone, okay, and I type in 63, behold, I get. So this method, break apart method, okay?